What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the split screen feature on the Samsung Galaxy S10. Alright, so I've always been a fan of using this because it allows you to do two things at once. You could be playing a game while you're watching a video, or you could be playing a game while you're doing some shopping on Amazon. There are so many different reasons you want to be using it. Now, the cool thing is you don't have to do anything in your settings. It's already good to go. And what you want to do is hold down on the recent apps button, and you got to make sure that you have some recent apps open, otherwise it won't work. And you're going to see app icons at the top of each individual page here. So what you want to do is hold down on the app icon, and then you're going to have some different options. It's going to say app info. It's going to have the split screen option, which we're looking for, so we want to tap this one. And what it's going to do is it's going to put this up at the top right here. So that's going to be the Play Store, and all you got to do is open another app and it'll take you into split screen. So I'm going to open YouTube, and that's pretty much it. Now, when you have this feature open, you can adjust the split screen by holding down on the middle here, so you can make one page bigger than the other. It'll also work in landscape, so you can make your phone go into landscape with the split screen, which is pretty cool too. And I could be downloading a game or playing a game while I'm watching a video, and like I said, there's a bunch of different reasons you'd want to be using this feature. Now, when you're basically good to go and you want to get rid of the split screen on any one page, you can just hold down and it'll make it one page, or you can close both of the pages out and start over. So that's pretty much it. It is a cool feature. Samsung's always done a good job with this, so hope everybody that's going to be using an S10 will enjoy this little tip. Thanks for watching it. Hit that like and share, and we'll see you guys later.